my in my family, everyone prefers a winter wedding because you can digest food easily.
Is that a thing?
No, so if food is bad, then the wedding is bad. I mean,
You sound like Fufa ji.
जो नाराज होके बैठ
वो तो उनको those people.
Yeah, I see what
And the
you're
only way out there is to get drunk.
saying. Yeah, I get
कितना
you.
तुम छोटे बच्चों का परफॉर्मेंस देखोगे यार, it gets to a point.
So-
Or if you want to call, sponsor my outfits as well. I'm happy to wear. I'm not going to
Just
spend your.
send the outfits with the invitation.
ये करना चाहिए. If you have the audacity to keep 10,000 themes in your wedding, sponsor
Send 10,000 outfits.
Totally, yeah.
Then,
Hi guys, I'm Shivali.
and I'm Ashwita. And you must be thinking, why am I dressed like this? Because I'm going to a wedding sangeet. No, I'm just kidding.
And why am I dressed like this? Because I want to go to a British wedding, but
Nobody is inviting you.
and plus it's not summer, so they do not have the weddings in this time. But in India, the wedding season is going
Exactly.
on. And how do we know about that? Instagram.
Instagram.
And how annoyed about that we
is
are.
level 100.
Are you though? Because you are like a bit of a wedding lover though.
Yeah, but I don't like the Shusha wedding, to be honest. I like the small, raw, small town Indian wedding.
I know.
And
yeah.
the wedding nowadays, it's more like mostly influencers are promoting their brands.
Yeah.
People are just, it's a marketing gimmick somehow. I don't know.
For
But-
sure.
yeah.
Only people who are it's been capitalized. Only people who are getting rich are the event management people, and whoever is behind the wedding business, they are getting rich. And सबसे बुरा तो I feel for the guests
Yeah.
because the bride and the groom are fine. At least they are getting something out of the event.
Yeah.
रिश्तेदार भी ठीक है, मॉम डैड उनका सपना था,
Yeah.
it is being fulfilled, fine. What about the friends and everyone who are supposed to dress according to the themes,
Yeah.
and then for the 5 or 10 or whatnot functions they have to dress according to the theme, and every wedding in that season they have to go, they'll have to buy new outfits.
And so we have Indian ceremonies, they are not only one or two, right? So they
Exactly.
are like 10 different events. And these days, every 10 different event has their own colors. Like Haldi has only, you have to only wear yellow, you have to only wear
And
white.
plus, if for 5 different healthy functions of different people, you
Yeah.
have to wear different.
Because you can't repeat your clothes on Instagram. You can.
And the weddings are for Instagram anyway.
And so let's talk about guest list. Okay, so imagine a British couple has invited you to their wedding and they've said it's a very intimate ceremony. We are just inviting 80 people. What would you think?
I kind of like it, but then they are actually 80. The good thing
Yeah.
is if they're saying 80, they will be 80 plus if they're saying intimate, it will be intimate. Unlike
Yeah,
Indian weddings, when they say intimate, there will be 500 guests.
exactly.
Non-intimate with a 3,000.
Tina.
Yes.
And
But what is your opinion on the number of guests and like कितने होने चाहिए and
I think however your budget is, to be honest. I mean, see, if I am pro with that, you should know every person at your wedding, then it can be 1,000 people
Can't know
wedding.
1,000 people.
But you can't
but how do you
realistically
manage
know.
also ना?
वही ना, जिसके पास जितना पैसा हो.
नहीं पैसे से no. Personal relations, how do you manage?
exactly.
You can keep any number of event managers and all that, but then वो one-to-one interaction, how exhausting it gets when you have 1,000 people attending your wedding. है ना?
I mean, yeah, I'll be exhausted.
Of course, and bride and groom तो exhausted तो रहते ही हैं about the रिश्तेदार, the cousins and the siblings. Oh my god, you need a different vacation if you are a cousin at a wedding.
Because the cousins are unpaid labor at the wedding.
Totally.
From collecting all the gifts, from arranging the chair, keeping, the most annoying part is you have to take care of the elderly people. If they have taken their medicine and someone will call you, oh, grab my medicine box, it's in my suitcase, and then you have to run, you have to climb 2 stairs.
And then you have to look good also, because you have to appear in all the functions and all the pictures with those sunken eyes with 4 hours of sleep.
Yeah.
So it's a punishment basically for the cousins and siblings in a wedding.
And especially the night weddings, you know, that happen during midnight. Everyone is asleep. Only the bridegroom, the parents, in-laws maybe, and the cousins, poor cousins. Because I have been in a situation where I have to be awake because my cousin doesn't want her makeup to, you know, so I have to be there like a bridesmaid. I'm like, this is so tiring.
And you have to be like the entertaining part as well. अरे बच्चों कुछ करो ना. Oh God, I hate that. कितना करे बच्चे यार.
And you have to also take care of those kids. They have so much energy. Stage पे जा रहे हैं, photo बिगड़ी, then the bride and groom will shout at you, your cousin who's getting married. तुम ध्यान नहीं रख सकते. I'm like, यार ये तो बिल्कुल ही ये है.
That's so bad. I don't think so. That is a very starking difference in British weddings and the यहाँ का Indian weddings. That the cousins are not unpaid laborers here, yaar.
Yeah, I mean, no. I think no one is really...
I think the whole burden, who's taking the burden is the maid of honor and the bridesmaids from the bride side and the best man and whatever. Groom side में तुझे कुछ मेहनत ही नहीं लगती है. हाँ.
But yeah, if the bride is bridezilla, I mean, I've seen a lot of bridezillas here.
For the sake of
in UK, I think.
Like, I don't know, for the sake of people understanding what is bridezilla, because I don't understand but I'm just taking.
So bridezillas are basically bride who are very commanding. They need everything perfect. They want to enter at a particular song at particular seconds. If it's not on the 5th second of the song, they will make sure that they enter at the 5th. So they are called bridezilla, which I think are more here than in India somehow. Yeah. I mean, यहाँ तो है bridezilla भाई.
इंडिया में भी बहुत है.
इतने नहीं है जितने यहाँ हैं. I think यहाँ मैंने ज़्यादा देखा है like
इंडिया में भी होने
because but that शूशा वाला wedding ना.
हाँ, वो आजकल तो सभी है. Instagram है, thanks to Instagram, every wedding is becoming the shosha wala wedding.
Yeah.
But anyway, your bridezilla point.
Yeah, so I think because here the brides are एक तो invitations, the invitations go in advance here. I think 1 year, 2 year.
And then you have the RSVP concept as well.
Yeah, which I
like as well.
Yeah.
But then yes.
Yeah, so then the bride is not the bride on that day. She's the bride for whole 2 years, where all their friends are listening to her stories of how she's getting the facial done, how she's getting this.
And the entire conversation is about them or the wedding day, or it gets exhausting. It definitely gets exhausting. Plus, I like the idea of sending the invitations a year ahead so that people are aware and they can plan ahead. I like the idea of RSVP so that they also know that if someone is bringing someone. But then that RSVP concept, sometimes I feel bad for single people, the pressure of bringing someone just to not show that they are ending up, but then the weddings are anyway a place of union, and then
romanticizing.
एक unset pressure भी हो जाता है of bringing someone if you are unable to bring someone.
Okay.
Sometimes I feel if you RSVP like your girlfriend or your boyfriend or your partner in any case, and then you broke up, and then the entire like pressure of like sending the RSVP back, or the pressure of dating someone else during that time just to cover that up, it's a lot of pressure जो इंडिया की weddings में नहीं होता. That's the good part. क्योंकि वो तुम्हारी सेटिंग करा देंगे ना शादी में. आंटी अंकल फूफा जी वो तो करा. अरे बेटा अच्छा तुम्हारे कोई है नहीं है, चलो चलो
क्यों ये किसकी बेटी है, इसकी शादी हुई
वो तो वो यहाँ हो जाता है. तो it's in weddings are again a place to ऐसा matrimony, in-house matrimony चल रही है.
It is a place of in-house matrimony.
That's sometimes it gets annoying also, क्योंकि अगर तुम्हारी फैमिली की शादी है तो एक आध अंकल आंटी अरे अच्छा इसकी भी तो उम्र हो रही है, वो सेटिंग लगी जाता है.
वो तो कर. Also one more thing, the जूता छुपाई रस्म, that is so much pressure on the cousins and all the saliyas and everything.
I absolutely hate it. I hate it.
It's like tug of war.
It is a unnecessary shitty thing you do just to waste everyone's time. Plus most of the cousins and everyone is sleep deprived anyway, and then you are putting that pressure unnecessary. और वो कुछ होते हैं ना पूरा strategy, they make that strategy, the plan
and they'll sit down, you come from this is your part. And us
Not my
being
scene,
like
man, no.
like and to be honest, if the other side has big giant boys, how are we
Giant boys. let's leave that for
I mean
boys. Okay.
all the सालियास, they are all छुई मुई and they are wearing these saris. एक तो 2 घंटे लगा के I wore this sari, very elegant, this and that. I've done my hair, I've done my makeup, and then you expect me to run in my stilettos, grab the juta, run, hide it. Whereas all the salas on that side, they are giant 6 feet 2 inches standing there. I'm like, this is too much. Like it
Not
can't be
fair.
that competitive. And at the end of the day, anyways, the groom has to pay, right?
हाँ.
ये तो शगुन है.
Unnecessary. If you are able to hide the shoes, if you are unable to hide the shoes, तो वो end में एक आंटी आके अरे बेटा शगुन है तो देना ही पड़ेगा तो.
Then why all
And
these?
why waste time, man? And then someone will hate me if someone is watching that hate us that why are we shitting
Yeah.
on the rasam? It's not fun. Been
Yeah,
there,
it is.
done that
Yeah,
on both
exactly.
sides. I
You have a brother, right? So you must be. It's your
useless.
first-hand
And
experience.
I was like we were what is the word?
Pressurized.
No, not pressurized. So of course, and we could hide it successfully. But then shagun hai to karna hi padega. So somebody dropped something. So
Yeah,
sorry for the noise. Yeah. But shagun hai to karna hi padega. So this is it. At the end to paise dene hi
Dene
pade. So I
pade.
was pissed also. Why did we spend like half and I didn't bother, but my cousin, she's thoda sa strategy banate hain and all that. So why uska bhi time waste hua na.
Yeah,
If anyway,
yeah.
if you're it's like it's not a winning battle.
No.
You
no.
have to pay, you have to
And
pay,
it's
then
not
fucking
even.
pay and then
Yeah.
no.
I mean, उससे अच्छा have some good rasam of something like just sit and talk or play antakshari. I mean,
That's
when
so
there is no physical activity
I know, man.
involved.
उतना तैयार होने के बाद you have to do all this bullshit.
And then at the same night there is a Sangeet night where you have to do hundreds of performances.
Don't get me started on that. But then the juta chupai, I'll tell you one. Abhi last year I went to a friend's wedding. So what happened? I think usme bhi they could not hide the juta. But shagun hai na. So apparently this thing happened ki अच्छा when the dealing started, when they started the वो कि कितना देना है and all, भाई झगड़ा हो गया, मतलब फुल फाइट हो गई, ईगो बैटल्स. द दूल्हा इतना गुस्सा हो गया, ही लेफ्ट द प्लेस, मुझे नहीं देना है ये वो. जस्ट started with a banter,
Right, yeah.
but then I think I'll say sleep deprivation is the cause of every single rage. So then he was like मुझे नहीं करना, and the girl who was negotiating with her, she also got pissed a bit that he AKIV started for fun, and he was like okay it was fun, then you make it fun na. Why are you like
Yeah.
कुछ terms भी कभी कभी derogatory कुछ बोल
Yeah,
दिया.
yeah, no.
And वो fun क्या, it was a पूरा, and then he went, and then the girl, the bride, she was calling क्या हो गया, उसको पता चला कि उसके would be husband या husband हो चुका था after the marriage, ये लड़ाई हो गई, and then everyone
My
came and
God.
started sorting out, and it was such a bad energy. So
Yeah, I think everyone should know their limits. Like, see, I agree in British culture, weddings are all about celebrating the couple only. Everything the couple wants or do and whatever. In India, it's more a communal, and like you said, it's like your parents' dreams, probably, whatever. But then there are some limits, like you can't be hassling
छुपाई तो
the.
खत्म करो
हाँ,
यार.
it's like literally. Or also the, like you mentioned earlier, the Sangeet. If you're not a good dancer, you are being.
unnecessary pressure is. Have you seen those performances जिसमें सामने वाले तो अच्छा कर रहे हैं, पीछे यार यार no, see those people are being pressurized to dance.
Yeah, because your cousin, your friend's wedding, at your friend's wedding, all the friends, all your girlfriends are performing, and if you're not a good dancer, still you have to be there.
हाँ, but तुम्हें क्या करना है, पीछे करना. एक तो तुम वैसे humiliated हो, उसके बाद तुम्हें पीछे कर दिया.
Third line में.
I came to a wedding to enjoy, man.
Yeah, yeah.
So my point is करो dance.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
but then उसी को करो जो करना
चाहता है.
So few people like करना ही पड़ेगा. So I am totally against, ये Indian culture का problem है. I am totally against किसी भी चीज में force करने के लिए. For food also, if I'm saying I don't want to eat, do not give me. I get irritated. नहीं नहीं और खा लो तो I get.
But ऐसा होता है, you say no to food? I don't think.
No, I. That we'll discuss on a food thing. But then you went for dinner at some place and then किसी के घर पे ऐसा एक टाइम पे पेट भर जाता है. And knowing me, if you know me, if I'm saying no to food, then I'm actually full.
Yeah.
मैं कभी formality नहीं करती हूँ. So when somebody does that, I get in the similar way for dancing. नहीं कभी कभी मन भी नहीं होता यार.
Yeah, I mean I agree. And to be honest, ठीक है, अभी जो अच्छे डांसेस होते हैं ना वो सिर्फ यंग एज वाले होते हैं. एक तो जो बच्चों के डांस, द किड्स हु डांस एट द एंड,
boring. So
they dance for like 6-7 minutes.
It's not cute
exactly
also.
they don't dance on trendy music at all. They dance from their, so in school their recitals, they try and do that in the wedding, and I'm like sabka mahol alag and these kids are coming with a pom doing. I'm like, okay, they look cute, but
they look cute only for 1 or 2 minutes.
yeah, and then they should be
बाकी
off.
के 6 मिनट
Yeah.
हो रहे होते लोग.
So-
See, I have seen. It's not that I don't enjoy. Okay, I understand mine, but I have seen people. How cute. Then everyone is on
yeah,
their phone.
and their phone, yeah,
तो क्या मतलब है?
yeah. But the uncle auntie,
They are the cutest.
they are the
I love them.
cutest.
They are the cutest, and उनका actually मन होता है.
हाँ हाँ.
So it's completely justified if they want to dance, let them dance,
Yeah.
and they enjoy it as a cute सा कर रहे होते हैं.
हाँ, yeah.
It doesn't matter it's looking good or
Yeah,
not.
but it looks cute, yeah, and they take so much effort, and especially the uncles who can't really dance, but they look so cute with
And
those.
they are dancing क्योंकि उन्हें मन है.
Yes, out of love and
Our point is कि जिसको मन नहीं है उसको मत फोर्स करो क्योंकि at the end उसको तुम पीछे ही खड़ा कर रहे हो यार. I just hate it so much. Why are you spoiling your own functions anyway? गंदा डांस करवा के.
True. Like we were discussing the food, so I just a image just came across my eyes. You know the movie Three Idiots.
Oh.
You know.
Yes. वो scene याद आ गया मुझे.
Exactly. So when I see like in British weddings, I think they have very curated menu, 3-course meal, very small portions and all.
Yeah.
So suddenly a image of a plate, like a Michelin star plate with very minimal food came into my head and cut to Amir Khan holding that. अरे रोटी के लिए जगह नहीं.
Adjust कर लेना side में. But यार I can't complain about food यार.
No,
That
I
is the
think
only thing I go to
exactly.
weddings for.
Food, so I personally go for food, looking good. I mean, obviously you can glam up, and no glam up is very small there in Indian weddings. You can glam up as much as you want. You can wear as much color as you want. And the third thing, obviously, the dancing floor and all. Food, though, I think
I only go for food.
if food is bad, then the wedding is bad. I mean,
You sound like Fufa ji.
जो नाराज होके बैठ.
वो तो उनको तो मतलब
No, I'm the foofy.
गुलाब जामुन में रबड़ी कम दी उनको तो.
I'm the foofy. No, बुआ.
But then we don't complain, no.
Because for us, it's. I mean, I haven't gone to any Indian wedding where the food is not nice.
I have been to those weddings, but
So sad.
I know. It's
but
such a
is it
waste
like
of time.
But is it at least एक दो dishes पर ऐसे कभी
हाँ,
है ना?
ऐसा
It's like
एक दो चीजें खराब
एक दो
होती हैं.
चीजें हैं. Obviously, out of 100 things, एक दो तो हो ही सकती है. So it's
And
fine.
legit out of 100 things.
Yeah.
There are 100 things.
Exactly, 100 types of things. So it's possible. But I've never been to weddings, especially those small town weddings.
I love those. I mean,
Yeah, where you have that.
जब Instagramification नहीं हुआ था wedding का, like I remember बुआ की शादी हुई थी जब and all that.
Wow. Even some of my cousins, my older cousins, maybe 10-15 years back, they were all in small towns, so we had like a shamiyan, not like tent in front
Tent
in
लगाते
the
थे
garden,
घर के
yeah.
बाहर,
And a halwai is sitting, making jalebis, all that fresh. You go there.
Totally, yes.
And especially in winters, it's like, and I think that time the trend was winter wedding mostly. Although there are two
Inconvenient भी है थोड़ा सा.
because in my family everyone prefers a winter wedding because you can digest food easily.
Is that a thing?
No, so where I come from, it has a very hot temperature. The temperature can go up to 40-42 degree, right?
Okay.
So in summer, what happens? You can't eat much because of the heat, right? You can't eat a lot. And in winters, it's like you can eat all the hot food and you can eat a lot in winters.
But then यार फिर वो hot कपड़े पहनने में
But that's what the priority is food na for my family.
I agree.
है ना? So they are like कोई बात नहीं शॉल ओढ़ लेंगे but पानी मतलब जलेबी तो नहीं रुकनी चाहिए.
Yeah, that's a fair point. जलेबी तो बिल्कुल नहीं, जलेबी तो स्पेशली नहीं रुकनी चाहिए.
गरम तो विंटर में ही मजे आएंगे. See, we already want to go to an Indian wedding.
Only खाना खाने.
Only in a small town though.
Only in a small town because the vibe and everything is so good. आजकल का नहीं पता, but that time it is like everyone was not obsessed with Instagram and photographs. It was actually genuinely connect करते थे लोग. हाँ, वहाँ पे भी फूफा जी होते थे और मामियाँ होती थी पंचायत करने के लिए.
मामियाँ तो क्यूट रहती हैं. I think बुआ जी. I don't know. बुआ भी क्यूट है.
No, we should not ऐसा मतलब वो तो characters है ना.
Characters है. Okay, yeah, we are not like it's just some or the other auntie or uncle will be. हाँ, some or the other will be. Also, the fair point on the clothes is
on the clothes like
10 different outfits.
Not fair on the guest. I still say not fair on the guest. See, these days it's so annoying. Theme. You put the theme and then you expect everyone to show up on those themes. And what's the thing with the ball gowns, man? It's an Indian wedding. Wear Indian clothes. I hate it. I don't know. ये बहुत वो होगा, बहुत contradicting हो सकता है with many people. But Indian wedding है.
Yeah.
And Indian clothes are so beautiful. Ball gowns और वो जो mix वो कभी नहीं अच्छे लगते.
हाँ.
I personally do not like it. And वो पहन के आ गए ना तुम अच्छे लग रहे हो. And then you expect your guests also to wear that. Oh man, no.
Yeah, it's very unfair on the guest because वो जा के they are shopping and this and that.
Yeah, and then कौन पहन रहा है? चलो, let's say
you can't upcycle it, you can't rewear it.
You can't rewear. It's such a एक बार पैसा लग गया तो लग गया.
Yeah, if it's very curated for that wedding or something, you can't. But we तो rewear everywhere. But there's a thing also कि I mean you can wear it in other weddings, but people don't. That's the problem.
अगर 2 साल के बाद है then but then fashion goes away.
हाँ वो भी है अभी कुछ और चल रहा है.
Especially ये ball gowns के तो fashion चल नहीं जाते. हाँ मैंने खरीदे नहीं है.
I think you should just have very basic wedding clothes then you can repeat.
That you can repeat. No, yeah, fair. That's the good thing about British weddings कि at least theme भी है और वो जो dresses है ना you can wear.
Yeah.
Not in a regular day, मतलब
like
office में ही चलेगा, but you can easily wear in a party.
Yeah.
You don't have to wait for another wedding to do that, and people repeat clothes here as well.
Yeah.
Which is kind of accepted.
One more image flashed. These days, have you seen how the haldi functions are happening?
I was going to talk about
There's a big tapela. In that the people.
First of all, my question is when did it turn into Holi, yellow Holi?
Now the people apparently they play like pour beer and all on the bride and groom and all.
Pool में डाल देते हैं. Oh God, I hate it. I mean,
but that tapela, have you seen that big tapela?
No.
So have you not seen? So there are like big tapelas. In that tapela, the bride and groom are sitting and everyone are then pouring. Just Google later. But like it's a thing. The haldi
what
ceremony.
They're pouring?
They're pouring water, haldi, whatever, the mogras and flour and beer and then all that.
Beer.
They are doing like all the grooms.
And then what do they do with that? वो face पे
just ऐसे ही मतलब fun. It's a fun.
Okay.
Sitting.
Haldi was supposed to be something else previously, no? If we remember about our हम बच्चे थे, the haldis used to be a bit different.
Yeah.
It started with a fun thing कि चलो थोड़ा holify करते हैं. Let's play with haldi. But then now it has crossed limits.
Yeah.
It's not cute anymore. It's
it's very Instagrammy. Yeah.
Again, and then your yellow clothes are going to be ruined anyway. Yeah.
You can't rewear it.
I like haldi because yellow color. It looks so pretty. धूप वाले दिन. But again, तो तुम क्या करते हो? फिर वो pool में लोग फेंक देते हैं.
और उसके बाद the bride and groom have to go and get ready and come back. So tiring.
And the guests.
Maybe not the same.
And okay, what's your take on this thing? Ki if Okay, do you enjoy going to every wedding?
No, not the
Especially-
close ones. I would enjoy. So I've not been to. Anyways, I've not been to weddings of either my very close friends or my very close cousins. I've not been to.
Other than that, you are
Yeah,
saying.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, very close.
क्योंकि मम्मी पापा ने अलाउ नहीं किया घर पे पढ़ाई करो.
वो भी है. Very close. No, not these days. I'm talking about these days. Very close friends, you know, very close friends. एक वो भी problem है कि वो तो मेरे close friends है, but if you are the only friend, for
No,
example, if you are the college friend and rest of them are the colleagues or rest of them are the school friends and you are the
Yeah.
only one going from, you do not have friends.
Yeah,
only
yeah,
friend
okay,
is
okay,
the
that
bride. तो bride को तो time नहीं है.
Hmm.
और that matter if you're groom's friend or if you're bride's friend, तो उसको तो टाइम नहीं है, तो यू हैव टू वहां पे फिर ना द न्यू प्रेशर इज टू सोशलाइज विद द स्कूल फ्रेंड्स और स्लैश एनी काइंड ऑफ डिफरेंट ग्रुप ऑफ फ्रेंड्स हु हैव कम been there. Oh god. And then if or if it is a destination wedding or if you have gone somewhere where the
Yeah.
function is going to be for 3 days, then you are stuck with those people.
Yeah, I see what.
And the
you're
only way out there is to get drunk.
saying. Yeah, and if they don't allow.
If they don't allow, go outside. I have been to these kind of weddings. If they don't allow, go outside and get drunk because
Yeah, how do
करे
you
क्या?
spend?
Your only friend is the bride. You can't expect
Yeah.
her to entertain
yeah.
you. And then कभी-कभी कैसा होता है? If you are going as a school friend, then a closer friend will be there. You
Yeah.
used to be a close friend, but then
Yeah, now
एक
it's okay. Yeah, yeah.
क्लोजर हो गई है, तो अब वो जेलस तो छोड़ दो, जेलस तो नहीं होती मैं, बट देन नाउ यू कांट बी द मेड ऑफ ऑनर कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं है वहां पे, बट द मेड ऑफ ऑनर सॉर्ट ऑफ ड्यूटीज यू कांट परफॉर्म बिकॉज द क्लोजर तो
Yeah,
then तो
they
you
are
are bored out of it.
And they're more sing to bride in the recent times than
Yes.
you. Because you think, अरे इसको रेड लिपस्टिक कब से पसंद आने लगी? स्कूल में तो नहीं पसंद थी.
Which is a fair point.
It's like-
Expectation होनी भी नहीं चाहिए,
Yeah.
but then you don't know many things.
Yeah, exactly.
You went just because of the previous bond, because you were expected to
Yeah,
show up. And then if you're going alone, then oh my god, it's
Yeah,
so
I see.
boring. Yeah,
I
it's
did.
so
Yeah, I did go to, but I just went there for 2 days. Just I landed and next day I have to leave.
2 days भी बहुत लगते हैं यार.
But then, yeah, somehow the days just went.
समझ नहीं
but
आता,
yeah.
मतलब on the evenings when the function is going on, ठीक है? So your only friend is on the stage doing their own shit.
Yeah, yeah.
What you will do?
I
मतलब
get
कितना
you.
तुम छोटे बच्चों का परफॉर्मेंस देखोगे यार, it gets to a point and you do not have either you start flirting with a guy और वो भी कोई एवरेज ही रहते हैं.
Yeah, and आंटियां तो है, if you want to set up,
Oh, God.
आंटियां will be like, ये दोनों बात कर रहे हैं.
it gets very annoying if you are stuck in
Yeah.
this kind of situation.
And the looks, I mean, the looks the aunties give you. So if you're,
हाँ, वो तो
even if
बचपन
you're-
साल तो हो गए.
yeah, it's like कि ये कौन है? अच्छा, इसकी सहेली है. अच्छा, इसकी सहेली है.
God, the only
But
way
yeah,
out is
it's
get
so funny.
sloshed.
Yeah, and you
Otherwise-
get to know this after. Suppose if your bride is the friend, they tell you afterwards. Oh, मेरी मम्मी बोल रही थी, that auntie was talking about you, asking about you, and it is very funny for me. I'm like,
It is funny. It is
ये
funny.
तो होना ही था.
Yeah,
It's
मतलब अब
unspoken ही है.
it's not.
They are the
we are no more
matchmaking.
shocked. Anyway,
They are the Seema aunties.
there's a lot. There are a lot of scenes.
All the aunties suddenly become the Seema
That's my
aunties.
main problem of attending as if you're going alone. If you're now if you're going with अब मैं if you have a like partner as well, but the wedding is of your close friend, तो तुम्हारा partner भी तो बोर हो जाएगा, तो तुम उसको नहीं ले जाओगे या ले जाओगे तो भी वो बोर होगा. So it's
But if we carry them, then we'll be all right, isn't it? We both can sulk in the
I know,
corner.
but
eat
it gets
food.
last wedding I went, it was my and there were my friends were also there, but at one point हम अब क्या करें, चले गए. The guy, we were from the guy's side, the guy was on the stage, fine, ठीक है, मिल लिया, fine, खाना खा लिया, मैंने तो बहुत खाया क्योंकि टाइम पास करने के लिए खाना
Yeah,
पड़ रहा है ना.
yeah.
But then with those clothes you can't eat that much also ना.
Jeans में तो chain can untie your button.
Exactly. So at the end, okay, let's go back to the room and gets lost. But then एक point के बाद it gets.
Boring.
That's why being a wedding guest is the most annoying thing. I like one day weddings. कि तुम्हें बोर होने का टाइम ही ना मिले. I like those.
बट ऐसा तो नहीं होता.
और वो वाले वो जो अपने घरों में नहीं होते कार्ड आया है बस तैयार होना है खाना खाने जाना है वो बढ़िया है क्रिटिसाइज करने और आ जाना है.
Yeah. Let's talk about the most talked weddings in last decade. Do you remember?
Last
any?
decade, फिर तो
Last
बहुत-
decades or yeah, the most talked about. The first is obviously Ambani's
What are your
extravagant.
thoughts on that?
I think it was. I think at their position, I think they were to do this thing. I mean, because
It's okay for them to
it's
do
okay for them. They've got all the resources. They have money. It's fine. They were doing according to their status, and I don't think so. They have literally bought like they have borrowed money. Unlike middle class people who actually take out loan, I don't think so. So I think that was the most talked about and most extravagant, lavish, very bougie wedding.
That was definitely, and
Yeah.
then the royal wedding also. When
Yes,
did I think that
happened
happened
2019,
2018, 2019.
Yeah.
Meghan Markle one.
Meghan Markle and so Prince Harry, Meghan Markle was one, and Catherine and the Prince William. That wedding was also most talked. It was 2017.
What happened there?
I mean, it was quite iconic dress that she wore. I mean, there was lot of buzz around that. I was not in UK, but still there was lot of buzz around. That was the most. Even here, it was the royal weddings here are so much talked about. It's like Ambani's of India.
Royal weddings क्या? Have you seen the Victoria Beckham fiasco?
Yeah. I think that's become now the most the
Oh
Brooklyn
God,
wedding.
Yeah. It's not as wedding has happened. हो गया है क्या?
I think wedding has happened.
Okay.
But there are a lot of controversies.
अरे that's story सास बहू
That
drama
is like
पता है कि legit सास बहू drama.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And you know what's common in all three weddings are the mother-in-laws are the most talked about.
वो तो
है ना? They see the pattern. Like
वो पैटर्न तो बचपन से देखा.
mother-in-law and the bride. I mean, the Ambanis were not in the bad light, but like Neeta Ambani did stole a lot of attention with her attires, with her elegance and everything. But still, she was the talk of the town.
Yeah,
And I'm like mother-in-law taking the limelight.
Actually, yeah.
Isn't it? Like obviously the queen
when you
was
mention Ambani wedding, I don't remember the bride's face
looks, yeah.
or the looks.
Yeah.
What I remember is Neeta Ambani
And that nuts that was going
Oh,
on.
she was looking good.
See?
But
So
yeah.
much class and elegance. And which other wedding? I remember this Kourtney Kardashian's wedding
I
also
don't know,
made.
no idea.
There was a lot of buzz around her wedding also. I don't
Okay.
know the nitty-gritty.
Indian
but
celebrities का भी तो wedding का buzz हुआ है.
Priyanka Chopra, Nick
I
Jonas.
liked her.
Their
I liked the
wedding,
wedding. She
yeah,
was
that
looking so-
was.
I mean, वो पूरा
It was a
Rajasthani
mixed
style,
culture
yeah.
also. Like they
That
did
was
both.
nice.
So that was most talked about wedding. Kiara Advani and Siddharth Malhotra. That was the most. You know the thing
I
they
know.
did.
I didn't like
That
it.
was.
Yeah, but then whatever.
Yeah, but that
मैं
was
कौन
most,
हूँ? Like I didn't like it.
but most people did I mean it did create that video
did, it
created
did.
the buzz.
It did. But I think that entire act of destination wedding and everything started with Anushka and Virat.
Oh, they were the,
Lake Como one.
I loved
Lake
it.
Como became famous
very
because of
popular because of that. I mean that
Yeah.
was love.
And then उसके बाद से all the celebrity weddings started
yeah,
this
yeah.
thing. I think the oldest celebrity wedding I remember which created news was Abhishek and Aishwarya.
Oh yeah.
And you know, I remember the news that time कि शादी हो रही है and all the journalists and the news वाले उनको काम तो है नहीं कुछ और ढंग की कोई न्यूज कैप्चर कर ले ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है तब भी नाउ तो इट्स जस्ट बिजार तो ज्यादा दिख नहीं रहा है
They were
ज़्यादा guest
climbing.
नहीं है हाँ
हाँ,
मुझे याद है I remember the news was when the invitations were going on पता चला है अमिताभ बच्चन ने कार्ड के साथ स्विस चॉकलेट का डब्बा भेजा है
I want that Swiss chocolate ka dabba now.
No, yeah. So that and then everything was about the wedding and halka sa glimpse dikha Aishwarya and all that.
Oh yeah, I remember
So the
because
first
I remember
man-
people were climbing on the side when the barat was happening. People were climbing on this thing
Yeah.
buildings to capture the photo. That was one talked about.
Also, I think that was the first time she got married with a paid first because of the Mangal and whatnot.
Yeah, that was also news apparently, which was, oh my god.
That was the first celebrity wedding
That
I
become
remember, like जो start हुआ कि इतना fuss
like a very
होता है
big
क्या?
coverage and
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
That is true. Even Karishma Kapoor's wedding was
Was it? I don't.
Yeah,
I think so. Yeah. It happened afterwards, no?
because yeah, okay. Yeah, that was also a bit talk about that time.
Yeah. And then
Alia Bhatt Ranbir was apparently
that was a cute thing that they
yeah, and it was again very talked about because
because
I
of
remember
Alia being Alia and Ranbir being Ranbir also
And-
the popularity.
yeah, and since morning I was seeing updates coming like they now the people are I'm like why and
ये न्यूज़ में वेले है
finally
बता
6 बजे आके उन्होंने फोटो दी oh they have their photos are out and all that I'm like
and people were literally I was the first one to see why
Yeah.
भाई कल देख लो ना फोटो आज भी दिख रहे हैं फोटोज
because everyone was so curious they did it very hush hush so everyone was so curious and because it was happening with Virat Anushka I don't think so there was any sign of their getting married and just the photo came right with Alia Ranbir they created all this curiosity around oh it is happening today right now they are happening we can see the mogras in their balcony so it became very
to
anticipated
be honest I do not know how much it happened I just know that people were getting crazy about
Yeah, that's
वो
why.
तो now they have given the photos and all
yeah. So that's what so
yeah
I think in the West royal wedding was the most talked about
as far as we know maybe हम इतना यहाँ पे वो
yeah.
अपना वाला news का इतना सीन नहीं है because our Instagram is still most of the things are like pink
no
villa
but
and all that.
royal wedding का बहुत हुआ था यहाँ बहुत even my feed was flooded with that
yeah आज
Givenchy ka gown this and that was like proper and I read that all iconic tiara the tiara Catherine was wearing that was apparently Diana's and everything
maybe memory is not there
yeah but it was a fuzz it was a big news
not surprised होगा
and they also had this queen's images like she was so happy at Catherine Williams' wedding but she was not happy at her and I'm like all these dramas they were covering and they were covering all these drama and this was not happy but at this wedding they were happy they were like comparing both the weddings and it was a big drama here so
होगा I'm not surprised क्योंकि यार लोग हर जगह एक जैसे ही हैं सबको
they
ड्रामा
need all that gossip
and coverage उसी से मिलता है
yeah
so yeah
So I think we covered most of the cultural. I think we
have
covered
a lot
most of.
rant still left for
Yeah,
what for me it is like guest नहीं बनना मुझे नहीं मुझे नहीं जाना अब यार मेरा हो गया
मुझे तो जाना है please बुलाओ.
खाना खाने में I'll go eat and come
Yes, just don't pressurize Shivali to dance.
plus outfits man I'm not going to take 10 outfits for your themes
Yeah,
I don't have that kind of money,
Yeah, don't send us any themes to invite.
You
in
do
your
a destination one. I love to go to a destination
Yeah.
one जहाँ मुझे freedom हो घूमने का and the
Yeah.
food of course.
So
Or if you want to call, sponsor my outfits as well. I'm happy to wear. I'm not going to
just
spend your.
send the outfits with the invitation.
ये करना चाहिए. If you have the audacity to keep 10,000 themes in your wedding, sponsor
Send 10,000 outfits.
Totally, yeah. Then it's
10,000
fine.
looks, not even outfit, looks like accessories.
बोलेंगे मत तो, which is fine. I'm fine. Yeah.
But I think, yeah, both British and Indian weddings are beautiful. It's all about love, food, chaos, and all the drama and everything.
I used to like it's all about Instagram now though. No?
But I think they are beautiful. Come on, still they are beautiful. If you do it in the right way.
Right way तो
Just-
नहीं करे Instagram पे करे. That is what we are
I
ranting about.
think it's
no?
fine. Don't it's fine.
मुझे तो
Indian
वो बुआ की
weddings are
शादी
still.
पसंद है.
तो वही के बोल रही हूँ
Yeah,
मैं.
those are good.
बुआ-
Those are very cute.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So those weddings are very beautiful. They still have that old school charm and all
Yeah.
that. And it's about love. And we do agree. थोड़ा सोचा कम करो. Be as authentic as you are.
Do not marry for Instagram.
Exactly. And just have fun. And invite us to a very calm wedding, please.
जहाँ खाना अच्छा हो.
Yes.
और जूता छुपाई
Please.
खत्म करते हैं अभी.
हमारे जूते ले लो.
All right.
All right.
On that note,
Thanks for watching.
watching
And please like, share and subscribe if you like the video. So to keep us motivated and bring more topics like this.
And please comment down if we
Yes.
have missed something, or if you disagree with my rant, especially my rant, because she has been a little bit, she has been showing some love on the weddings, but not me. So
Okay.
comment.
No, it's fine. It's you are not ranting. I agree with on the social.
Yeah. Anyway,
All right. Thank
see
you.
you next week.
Bye.